Welcome to part 3 and the final segment of the Fabulous Solutions promo show. The final and last installation is a little personal, so I'm not going to get too detailed. Kitchen cupboards. Top one, empty almost crock pots. This is going to be for large kitchen things, bread makers, I don't know, Cuisinart type stuff like that. Over here, thermoses, thermos-related coffee cups, things like that. Okay, all together, nice and neat. This cabinet, I was using it for my secret junk food, but it didn't last long. Food cabinet, easy because it is between the kitchen and between the living room, and it's very easy to come here and grab a quick snack. Top drawer, sunglasses, remote controls for the fans and ceiling fans, things like that. This is called the Steve drawer. In the Steve drawer, I have some tabs of paper, I have pencils, and then down below are some special pencils and gadgets. My brother likes to play with gadgets. And the bottom drawer is for the phone books and for probably takeout menus, things like that. The top drawer, or junk drawer, typical of any home, pretty much. Business cards, super glue, paper clips, scissors, stapler, pencils, flashlight, okay? And then the napkin drawer, where, again, I had problems with having enough space dividers. I use shoe boxes here to divide the space. Okay, there's a plastic bin from a cheap, like a Goodwill store. Napkin rings just on top, paper napkins, and then tablecloths. The bottom drawer is another junk drawer, but for tools, with light household tools like screwdrivers and things like that. These cabinets presented a challenge. They have a funny way of opening, and so they're not going to be a cabinet that you're going to use every day. It's a little funky. So I found these bins that actually have handles that you can pull out. I'm just using them for plastic bags right now. In the future, I don't know, maybe I'll have other things. And then the cabinets on top are pretty much empty. Below, same thing. I'm using them for bags. Extra soda pop that come in 12 packs. And then very close here, things that are maybe, I don't know, extra bags. I have extra bags and Tupperware there. Refrigerator, typical. Kitchen drawers here. Okay, here you have your everyday utensils. We did not have the right size drawers for the commonly sold utensil separator, so I used pencil boxes. And then down here, the same thing. We have here can openers, bottle openers, cooking utensils, larger knives, pizza cutters. And then down here, you're going to have your baking utensils. Okay. And then in the bottom drawer, you're going to have your Tupperware, your wrapping things. This drawer is a combination pantry and storage drawer. On the bottom, I have my paper towels, and on the top, I have canned goods, and in the back, extra like boxed goods. And then over here, we have our Tupperware and bakeware, like Corningware, Tupperware. Okay, this thing spins. No, this one spins on the bottom. So here we have Tupperware, extra baking goods, lids, things of this nature. And then on the top are your Corningware pans and your cookable pans. And then they have a spice drawer here, adequately used for spices. And then here, pots and pans that are daily use. And then the lids and more flatter fitting cookware. And on the cabinets above is where my brother keeps his medicines. I won't show you everything personal about their life. And this is for daily wear. Daily wear that is displayable. Cute. I have this lovely, he has this fun cup. This cup I love. Is put here just because these are really nice, black, beautiful Chinese things. And then on this side, I gave them their daily cups, coffee cups, and daily drinkware. And then on top, vases. And in the beautiful display cabinet, of course, the silver. And in the other display cabinet are teacups that were a collection. And so they're all beautifully organized in a display cabinet. And that is how that's how it looks to organize a home that has been in a fire, and to start somebody off from scratch with an ordered way of doing things. Good luck and have a pleasant day.